Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2012 BMW X3 xDrive28i. This one's gray. Underneath the hood's a 3-liter inline-6 twin turbo pushing out 240 horsepower and 221 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. xDrive28i badging. A black interior. Panorama sunroof. Come around back, we've got our X3 badging, power lift gate, clean side of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, a dark wood trim, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, heated seats, hard keys for a media display, automatic transmission. This X3 has 126,068 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this X3, check out feldmannimports.com.